Every year, we produce more than 50 million tons of lignin. And many researchers, maybe even some of you, have been working for decades into trying to make high-performance lignin-based material to replace fossil-based one. And yet, we don't see any of this product in our everyday life. But why is this the case? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. Lignin in the plant is so incredibly reactive that every time we try to extract it from the plant, we end up irreversibly damaging its chemical structure. And so you can imagine it's going to be really, really hard to then make high-performance materials based on lignin if our starting material has already been pretty much degraded. And so in my research, I want to tackle and I want to solve this issue. And I want to do so by developing new biorefinery processes that allow us to achieve this. And what we have discovered is that by performing lignin fractionation in the presence of small molecules called aldehydes, we can achieve this. So we can fully fractionate the biomass into cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin in high yields without losing or degrading any of them. And because of the aldehyde, we can completely block the lignin from reacting and so from damaging. And the same aldehyde allows us to functionalize the lignin with any functional group that we want. And all of this happens in one single step. And because of this process, the lignin that we obtain is absolutely colorless and also odorless, which means that I have then teamed up with material scientists in order to develop these high-performance lignin-based materials. And we have been working on everyday items such as surfactants or creams for cosmetic application, showing that they can work even better than their fossil-based counterparts. But we have also worked on some specialty materials for medical application. And in particular, we have developed very, very strong hydrogels that have the same consistency of your heart or of your brain. And they are fully bio-based, fully biocompatible. And they can even repair themselves if they break inside of your body. And so given the exceptional results that we have obtained, we are already working on scaling this up to industrial scale so that we can obtain enough lignin that will allow us to have all of these items in our hand and maybe even inside of ourselves very soon. Thank you.